Hello viewers, today we will talk about the WordPress. So what is WordPress? WordPress is the simplest, most popular way to create your own website or blog. In fact, WordPress powers over 40% of the all websites on the internet. More than one-fourth website that you visit are likely powered by the WordPress. On a slightly more technical level, WordPress is an open source content management system licensed under SPL v2, which means that anyone can use or modify the WordPress software for free. A content management system is basically a tool that makes it easy to manage important aspects of your website like content without needing to know anything about programming. The end result is that WordPress makes building a website accessible to anyone, even people who are developers. What kinds of the websites can WordPress make? So many years ago, WordPress was primarily a tool to create blog rather than more traditional websites. That has not been true for a long time though. Nowadays, thanks to changes to a core code as well as WordPress massive ecosystem of the plugins and themes, you can create any type of the website with WordPress. For example, not only does WordPress powers huge number of the business sites and blogs, it's also most popular way to create an e-commerce store as well. With WordPress, you can create business websites, e-commerce stores, blogs, portfolios, resumes, forums, social networks, membership sites, etc. So what are the difference between WordPress.org and WordPress.com? WordPress.org, often called self-hosted WordPress, is the free open source WordPress software that you can install on your own website host to create a website that's 100% your own. WordPress.com. WordPress.com is a for-profit paid service that is powered by the WordPress.org software. It's simple to use, but you lose touch of the flexibility of the self-hosted WordPress. Most of the time, when people say WordPress, they mean self-hosted WordPress, available at WordPress.org. If you want to create your own website, self-hosted WordPress.org is almost always the best for use. All you need to do get started with the self-hosted WordPress is purchase web hosting and domain name. So what made WordPress and how long has it been around? WordPress was created as a standalone project all the way back in 2003, originating as an offshoot of the previous project called v2/cap.g. WordPress was the open source software, so nowadays it has made by a huge community of the contributors. But if we were to trace WordPress origins back to its roots, its original creation was a collaboration between Mart Malevich and Mike Little. Since then, Mart Malevich has largely raised the force of the WordPress, and he is also the founder of the Automatic, which is the company behind for the profit WordPress.com service. The history of the WordPress between its found as a blog platform back in 2003 and today is a long one. But suffice it to say, WordPress has pushed toward, and thanks to its contributors and huge community developed in the most popular to create any of the website.